Hello, guys. Welcome back to Mama Cutie Finance. If you like news you can use, go ahead and like this video and make sure you share it because everybody needs to know that Trump healthcare cuts will affect you, your mama, your daddy, everybody credit score. Okay? According to Fitch Ratings. If you don't know what Fitch Ratings is, Fitch Ratings, guys, it actually helps decide if our country is good at paying back money. According to Fitch Ratings, because with all the Trump cuts that's going on, it makes our country more vulnerable, okay, according to Fitch Ratings. So now, since Fitch Ratings decided that the US is less safe with money, what you think is going to happen? What did actually happen? Okay, the banks made borrowing money more expensive. So, what is that going to do to your credit score? That lowers your credit score, guys. I don't think people realize how big this is. That's why I had to come on and tell you that this is really big when all these changes start occurring in healthcare. So, with Fitch Ratings, they downgraded the US credit rating. I don't know if y'all know this, but the US credit rating was triple A. Guess what it is now? It's double A plus. It's no longer triple A. This is going to affect people really bad, not just Medicaid. It's going to affect everything. Even if you're not on Medicaid, it's going to affect your credit score. All right. So if you're trying to buy a house, the house is going to cost more money each month. Credit cards, the interest rates are going to be higher on the credit cards, and you're going to be paying more money. Okay, your car loans are going to become harder to pay. So if y'all think this economy is hard now, it's going to get even harder with all the cuts that are happening with Trump. So let me break this down. When Fitch changes a country's money grade, it makes things cost more money. It makes families pay more money. So don't come on here talking about they need to cut Medicaid. They need to cut Section 8. They need to cut all the government programs. Okay. Don't think just the people on Section 8 or on Medicaid are going to be affected. People who are not on Medicaid is going to get affected too. Okay, because it makes our country unstable with all of the cuts. Everybody in the background just dancing that Trump is cutting Medicaid. Okay, with Fitch Ratings, guys, when it changes a country's money grade, it makes everything cost more for families. So while everybody is all in the background so excited that Section 8 is getting cut, so excited that Medicaid is getting cut, so excited that food stamps and SNAP benefits are getting cut, don't think it's not going to affect you because it is. Your house going to cost more money each month. Your credit card going to cost more money each month. Your car loans are going to cost more money each month. It's going to make it harder for you to pay. Being so excited because all the government programs are getting cut. Fitch Ratings is like, wait, hold up. It's too many cuts going on. It's looking at the US like we're not good because we can't be an unstable country with all the cuts, because not only is it going to affect the low income, it's going to affect everybody. Okay. So now let me break this on down because it's two big problems that's going on here. If the government gives less money to Medicaid, hospitals and insurance companies might have trouble helping people. Okay. Think about that. Number two, if it's fewer workers at the Food and Drug Administration, it's going to take longer for new medicines and medical tools to get improved. So everybody's going to be hurt, okay? So these problems just makes hospitals charge more money, right? Because you get health insurance and from your company, you got that good health insurance, but you're not looking at when that Medicaid get cut. It's going to be bigger problems. So what you think going to happen? The hospitals charge more money. So don't get too excited because Medicaid's getting cut, because that money is going to come from somewhere. So what's going to happen when the Medicaid get cut? It's a bigger problem. It's going to make hospitals charge more money. All right. So with hospitals charging more money, it's going to make insurance prices go up for families. So while everybody in the back excited because Medicaid going to get cut, yeah, your health insurance going to go up. It sure is, because the hospital is going to get their money. Okay, so let's not try to put other people down because they're getting Medicaid, food stamps, and SNAP. And by the way, I know y'all probably think I get all that, but I don't. I'm just giving y'all some updates on what's going on with the economy. Okay, so let me break this down again for y'all. For the Medicaid program that helps people with little money to go to the doctor, if the government gives less money to Medicaid, hospitals might not have enough to take care of patients. Have y'all thought about that? Okay. Medicaid is what's making hospitals be able to survive. Have y'all really thought about that? Okay. So while you got loved ones in the hospital needing to take care of, you get your insurance, your regular insurance from your job, and you don't get Medicaid, it's a chance that your loved ones or even you might not even be taken care of because Medicaid is going to get cut. All right. So the Trump administration wants to spend less money and cut about $2 trillion from the budget. Did y'all know how to cut $2 trillion from the budget? $2 trillion. But no one knows exactly what will be cut. That's the problem. All right. So if Medicaid loses a lot of money, states will have to decide if they will pay more to keep it running. All right. So if they don't, many people may lose their Medicaid coverage. And I already told you people lose their Medicaid coverage. Everything's going to go up. Everything is going to go up. People getting Medicaid, I know that a lot of people might be thinking, oh, that's my taxpayers' money. That's my taxpayers' money. But trust me, the money going to come from somewhere. They're going to go for the insurance premiums, and that's going to go up even higher. And you have to think about it too. This going to make people more sicker because they're going to be stressed out. They're going to have all these extra bills that they can't be able to pay. And it's just going to make the economy even worse. All right. So think about it, how this is going to affect insurance companies. Insurance companies, guys, it helped people pay for doctor visits. For all the people want to brag that they not on Medicaid. It's going to affect insurance companies too, because insurance companies, they help people pay for doctor visits. All right. And that's including Medicaid and non-Medicaid people. So if the hospitals lose money from Medicaid, they might charge insurance companies more money. It's going to affect non-Medicaid recipients too. All right. So just realize if fewer people have Medicaid, more will go to the emergency room when they get sick. What you think gonna happen to the hospitals? It's gonna make more money problems for the hospital. Okay. And it's gonna trickle on to the insurance companies, and you're gonna be eating up the cost anyways. So let's think about what we're saying and do a little research before we want to brag about Medicaid and all the government programs getting cut. So think about it. All the FDA workers, the federal workers that Trump wants to cut, will it ever be again secure? It probably never will be. Economy still has to survive. People still have to be employed. Okay. So Trump, all the cuts he's doing is just not good for the economy, guys. Till next time, I'll see you guys again. Bye.